And turning to weather now, I mean, it's a perfect weather scenario for some moose on the loose there. Also to see those beautiful trees out there covered in snow. But Michelle, how long are we going to see the snow and what are we going to expect throughout the weekend?
Well, we're going to get to freshen up our snow that's already on the ground. We're going to freshen it up with a little bit of snow tomorrow. As we take a live look downtown, yeah, it does look beautiful. We just have a very light coating out there, just enough to make it look festive, especially with those holiday lights. Let's take a look at the current snow depth across the U.S. Well, much of the western U.S., at least in the higher elevations, is seeing some snow on the ground. East of the U.S. or east of the Rockies, a little swath of snow from southwestern Nebraska up through about Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and that's about it. So not a whole lot of snow across the rest of the U.S. On the almanac today, low clouds kind of kept us a little bit on the chilly side, so not much melting going on today with a high temperature of only 30 degrees. So coming in just a little bit below average as far as our snowfall for the season, a little over 19 inches. So we're actually above average for snowfall for the entire season, but a little bit below average for the month of December. We need to kind of get things really rolling here for this month. All right, let's take a look at the weather headlines. We are looking at light snow returning starting late Sunday morning, early Sunday afternoon, but it's generally going to be a light snow event. We're looking at 1, maybe 2 inches across the entire region in the inland Northwest through Monday. But it does look like it's going to be pretty active throughout the week with chances of rain and snow continuing right on through next week. We will see some slightly warmer temperatures, so it is going to be a little bit on the sloppy side as some of that snow melts, and we see some periods of maybe some afternoon rain showers as well. On the weather map right now, high pressure across the inland Northwest. Looks like a pretty juicy storm on the way, but it's actually going to kind of split in two. Part of the energy going north, part of the energy going south, and we're just going to get kind of the leftovers coming through the inland Northwest. So again, not going to be producing a whole lot of snow for our area. Here's a look at future tracker. Things staying pretty quiet overnight. We will have the low clouds and some patchy dense fog in areas. Otherwise, you'll be waking up to cloudy skies, but probably won't see the snow move in until late in the morning, early afternoon, and looking for light snow activity throughout the afternoon and evening. Temperatures hovering right around the freezing mark, so we could see a little bit of compaction as a little bit of that melts. Things start to wind down late Sunday night into Monday with just a few flurries to start the week. High temperatures for tomorrow, only in the low 30s, 34 in Moses Lake, 32 in Grand Coulee. We should just make it above freezing in Spokane tomorrow. Low 30s for highs, around 32 in Coeur d'Alene. Only 31 in Pullman, though, and 32 in Bonners Ferry. Here's a look at the extended forecast. A little bit of light snow on Sunday, some flurries on Mondays, more light snow on Tuesday, and then it looks like a mixture of rain and snow for later on in the week as high temperatures warm up into the upper 30s.